Our haul for today. We got a new console.
Well, a replacement.
A replacement. Where's your old one?
Right there.
Here's our original, which has got my old, what is it? My old profile. So you got the new Slim that you can put your own on. Then I got some Coleco.
Atari.
Or Atari.
That's not Coleco. You old man.
Oh, shut up. Then you got some more PS3 and PS4 games. So we'll probably get these Ataris out later and play them.
The cat likes the games.
And then the kitty likes the games. So very cool. So again, this is from Retro ReHomes, our haul for today. We went out and got some pizza and all that good jazz. So kitty, are they cool? Huh? Are they cool? Are they cool? Anyways. See you when I see you. Alright, so we're doing the regular Atari, not the Coleco version. We're going to use our new 8-bit TV for it. Let's see if we can do this right on the console. Alright, good enough.
Did you turn the TV on?
Oh, no, yeah, I did. Alright, which one are we doing first?
Yeah, let me turn that on and get the noise off.
Okay, so we'll do, because everyone loves it. Alright, well, we'll do, let's start with this one. Everybody knows that one. Millipede. I like the box.
Isn't it just like a copy of
it's Centipede, but different. You got a controller?
Oh, yeah, go grab it.
You go grab it.
You're closer to it.
That's pretty good.
That is pretty good. Oh, I remember. It is like it's literally the same thing.
Yeah, I'm entirely. Yeah, Millipede is more. Scent is.
So this is a bigger.
I played this for hours on 5200, I think it was, because it came stock with it.
Is it the big cartridge?
Yeah.
I know it's big. 7800 cartridges.
It might have been 700, but still. Oh.
We might not be able to play this. It needs like a special adapter.
That's all.
With boot
Dang.
strip,
I see this. I'm not sure about this.
You can hook it up to the TV.
We'll do this. Game over. Well, that's Millipede. That's a quick one. You want to play?
No.
So we're going to try it. This one we might not be able to do it. Looks like it requires... Whoa! It requires... something.
This TV's so freaking loud. I hate how it does that.
Well, you're using the actual... Maybe we can. Oh, it's asteroids. It's asteroids. Hit start. Okay, so those are bad. I'm not sure. I don't see a fire button.
Because it needs a special adapter.
Oh,
that's what I was saying.
The second joystick?
No, it's like it says it came, the game must have came with like boot strip adapter or whatever.
Mega race! Oh, you're supposed to go in circles, maybe?
assume it's a race. You're probably
Okay.
racing against that guy.
Okay. I think it's a track.
Yeah.
I'm really just sucking. You want to try this one? Rather than hear the noise. Now this one we bought. Hey kitty. This one we bought because of the box art. It's called Sorcerer. It's probably an RPG. I don't know anything about it.
RPG on the Atari, so it means we're gonna have no idea.
Yeah. Right? Oh wow. I didn't think I was even playing yet. I can't move up. I can't move nowhere. What does the button do? The button does nothing. It's almost like it's trying to be a platform.
Maybe it is avoid getting.
Yeah, but you can't move.
You can't move.
Like, I literally can't move. I just jump up in the air like that. So you're stuck on the ground. You know what I mean? That's the best you can do.
Let me try game select.
Same controls.
This video is gonna suck because of these games.
Yeah, I'm sure if we figure out what it's about, maybe we know what to do, or maybe it needs the spinny controller. I don't know. Who knows? Now that one's supposed to be an expensive one. That one.
Yeah.
So, all right, this is gonna be a short video. These games aren't that great. Kung Fu Master from Activision. Oh, this is Kung Fu. This is a really good game. Come on, you gotta work. Yes.
It is Kung Fu.
It's Kung Fu. It's just like the arcade. Well, not just like that. Remember that game? Didn't we play this on NES?
This game looks really good.
Remember, because you had to push the way you want to.
This game looks really good.
For
Atari,
yeah,
this game looks really good.
Ahead of its Activision.
Activision had like the best games on there.
They already had this in the arcade.
This game looks so good. I've never seen a Atari game that looks like this good.
Yeah, I crushed on this in NES.
Yeah. Okay, we'll play this for a little bit. We got a good one. I'm glad we got this. This is actually really good.
Yeah.
This is probably one of the best Atari games.
This is worth all of it.
Yeah.
Is that Stickman?
What? You got bopped in the head.
Well, I died a lot at the beginning. Life boy.
I think it looks fine.
It actually slows down when you're supposed to do stuff, so that, like, see, I'm slowing down and speeding up. Dang, that's weird.
Atari can't handle you.
If one punch, he kills me.
It's your head punches, I think. You hit your head each time. But this, man, I'm surprised at how good this looks.
Yeah, this is really good.
Like, I'm genuinely, like, surprised that this is, like, an actual game. This is Atari 2600. I've never seen a 2600 game look this good.
This is an NES quality.
Yeah. Like, it's pretty close to the NES
It's almost
game.
Coleco quality.
Yeah.
Is what I say.
In this game, I could see a Coleco game looking just like this.
Yeah. Dang it, I can't get by that guy. A little bit? Speak up, we can't hear ya.
My brother had a 2600.
Yeah.
I used to play. It's actually pretty good.
This game looks great for Atari. Duck. Or don't duck. He always hits you when you duck. See, I think you see there's your health bar up there.
Yeah, but I can't get close to him. He hits me.
Yeah.
He's supposed to have a stick. I think that's the
Let me
stick.
try it.
All right, your turn.
This is
You
so
didn't
good.
look at my score.
Oh, hold on.
You ain't gonna get past first one.
Oh my, this game is.
It's just like
It's literally controls just like that.
Yeah.
Especially with the Genesis controller plugged into the Atari.
Must have, I think.
Yeah, I think you need a Genesis controller for the regular controller just too
Jinky. Oh, go Lord, go Lord!
Oh, I was so
close. That guy's hurt.
Maybe you have to like play it strategically, like back up and stuff.
Yeah, but you really can't. It like sticks
What
out.
the heck? They like do
Remember the
damage.
grab? You have to like they don't have the animation for it, but I'm sure it still applies. Like remember the other one? It was
I'm gonna die.
It's hard.
Well, no, my flow just got messed up. I kept trying attacking them too early, and then they just like stuck in front of me and did a bunch of damage. No wonder this game is worth more money. This is like an actual like good Atari game.
Yeah.
I can see myself playing this.
Yeah, we could play this a bunch.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Just
No, it's
gotta
not
keep
doing
that
any
far
damage.
away.
It's hard. Oh my goodness. This game's harder than the NES one.
Yeah, they're
Oh my
killing
god,
it.
let me go!
Shake back and forth. Like that, yeah.
You wanna go again?
One more time, I'll go.
See, if we have to try to beat this.
Yeah, let me get by the first point. Not gonna do it like that.
You gotta shake back and forth to get out.
I know, I didn't do it.
Can you screw the last board on myself?
Yeah. Dang it, I can't get loose.
I know, they like latch on to you.
Atari's a lot of luck.
Oof.
Hey, you can't even get rid of
Yeah.
it. It drops too quick.
You have to like either kill him or you're gonna
You have to be
damage.
perfect.
Yeah. The timing is really weird.
See, why didn't that hit? And now I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
That's stupid. See, like that. If it does a punch action, you should be able to break free.
Yeah.
You know?
If I was a kid within a 2600, I'd be so happy with this game though.
He's got bigger reach too.
Landed on the knife.
I know.
Oh my god, these stupid knife dudes. I wonder if we're on like a hard difficulty or something.
I don't think so. I think it's just we suck. It's good though. It's a good game. Ooh, that was good. Ooh, that was good. Dang it. 1-2 back off. 1-2 back.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
We'll do.
What's the last one? The last one is the best one. Star Wars Empire Strikes Back. I had this one as a kid. The object of this one is to shoot around.
This TV definitely has more scans than
I got rid of one. So you wear them down until they're... It only works if you shoot the head. Until the little light shows. There was something about landing and you can regenerate or something like that. I don't remember. It's been a long time. Oh yeah? Maybe that's why it doesn't.
Maybe it works better because it used 64 ball controller. Maybe the ball controller just works better.
Maybe the joystick works better than the Genesis. Remember? I got rid of one. Let's just keep doing this for got rid of 3 already.
So you had this game in your pocket?
Yeah. Of course I did. Star Wars.
It's a pretty good game.
They didn't have a lot of Star Wars stuff when I was a kid. You know, it looks like they had a lot, but it wasn't not up north. There wasn't a lot in the stores. So. Want to try it once? So you can only hit them on the top part of the body and see the flashing things if it's hard. Kind of neat, but it's not hard. It's practice. There you go.
We like changing color. It's like crap.
Was that it?
Yeah.
Alright, that's not bad for... That's 18 minutes. That's pretty good. Awesome. Turn it off.